Hello, everybody. It's Leonard Forsman, Chairman of the Suquamish Tribe. I'd like to take this opportunity to give you an update on the tribe and the COVID-19 epidemic and some of the actions we've been taking to address this historic and unprecedented issue, at least in the modern times, where we've been taking action over the past couple weeks, as many of you are aware. First, I just want to reassure everybody that the tribal government and the Port Madison Enterprise Board and all the other enterprises are working really hard to figure out ways to adjust to this disruption, and knowing that the entire country is in disruption. And I think I'm just really proud of our tribal council and our staff and the enterprise board and staff, and thinking about this in a forward-thinking manner, and being in concert with local and state and now the federal government. And that's taken us a lot of time to do, and it's been stressful. And I'd just like to say thank you to everybody who's been so supportive of us as we go into these uncharted waters, and the people that have been supportive of us as we move forward. And it wasn't easy to suspend and postpone the General Council meeting, but we felt that was the most important thing to do to preserve public health, especially of our elders, and also shutting down the government and just relying on essential services. And many of you are aware of the reduced hours that we have. We're going to continue to provide those essential services to each of you. And we also took the bold action to close down the Clearwater Casino Resort yesterday, and we appreciate all the work that the Enterprise Board has done, their President Greg George and all of their members, and Chief Executive Officer Ryan Ramirez, and casino managers like Rich Purser and Irene Carper, Rochelle Stockwell, and many others that I could name, keep naming, like Carlene Crow, and all those people that have worked so hard to prepare for this, because we've been preparing for this, reading the trends out there. It was pretty obvious that eventually we were going to have to do something drastic, and of course many other tribal casinos have also taken care of that issue as well, as we've been seeing on the news. One of the things that's important to remember is that we're going to try to provide the services that we have. We're going to keep paying people over the next 2 weeks at their enterprises, and we're working out the same thing with our tribal government, and we'll try to maintain as long as we possibly can. So we'll continue to see how this thing plays out, and just encourage you to call your elders, stay in touch with the people who are shut in. There may be some people you haven't called and family members you haven't called in a while. I think this is the time to do it. And also, talk to your kids and make sure they know that you're there for them, and that we're going to get through this thing together. And we've persevered over many challenges, as all of you know our history, and our cultural traditions and our spirituality have pulled us through many of these things. So as we move forward, we'll be telling you more. We're going to be very busy. Had a little lull here after last week, just trying to get caught up, and now we're moving straight ahead with trying to keep Indian country involved and recognized and part of the legislation that's going through Congress. We have our lobbyists at Claus Law. Josh Claus is a leader of that in D.C. is looking out for our interests. We've been on the phone with Derek Kilmer. We've been on several calls with Governor Inslee, and been talking to our county commissioner as well, Rob Gelder. So we would continue to work really hard on trying to maintain our government-to-government relationships that are so crucial to us getting through this together. So with that, I just wanted to let everybody know that feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. You can call me or text me, and also you can just email the website, or ask people on Facebook or on Facebook Messenger. I'm also available there if you have any questions. Work with your medical providers. We're talking with the Port Gamble S'Klallam Clinic on testing right now as you speak, so I think that's encouraging. And we're hoping that in the near future we'll be able to get the testing done that needs to get done all over Kitsap County, especially here in our reservations, so that we have more data and we can address a better response. So with that, I'd like to thank you and say hi to everybody in the Fort Massey Indian Reservation and beyond, and all the citizens of the Suquamish Tribe. Thank you.